Oh my god, dude, that lightning's nuts.
What?
This lightning's nuts. Let's see.
What are you guys?
I don't know. People, they're swimming.
Where?
I don't know. They're over on the other side. Oh.
I was out in the rain.
I know. They make it smell like clam. Dude, when the cars go by, like big ones, like
Yeah.
fast, it covers the whole car.
I know that was what Cam was doing. It was fun.
Hi, can Billy have some of your popcorn?
Why?
I want the guys that were swimming to come back. Ty, those guys came, laid down in the water, and we would like to run through the water, get them all wet. Oh, Ty, it's dying down.
Oh, look at the can. Oh my god.
I just want a car to come by. It died down.
What?